YouTube. I don't know if you've seen it or not. A lot of people don't dig into the news as much as I do. But it turns out, and this has been verified through several different websites, that the coronavirus, the China virus, has a mortality rate of 0.1 to maybe 0.3%, which could be a little bit worse than the flu. Why are they still hesitating to keep the damn country shut down? Why? I mean, if the flu won't kill you, this won't either. I mean, I'm not talking conspiracy theories. I mean to the point of Rand Paul getting in front of Congress and making a speech reporting this. He knows, they know. You had the hot mic of John, I can't remember his name right now. Anyhow, a reporter from Fox. He was saying, it's like, yeah, they come out and Stanford study, blah, blah, or whatever it was. Yeah, 0.1 to 0.3% mortality rate. So in other words, it's maybe worse than the flu or maybe about the same. Have you noticed they hadn't reported any flu deaths? And we already know that any death, that if they have symptoms, they don't have to be tested positive, symptoms of China virus, is put on a death certificate that they died of China virus. So why are we still shut down? Why can I not go get a haircut? Why? This has all been a hoax. Now I understand they thought it was going to be worse and that they were taking preemptive measures, but as soon as they figured out it wasn't as bad as they thought it was, they should have backed up. They should have pulled out. But they didn't. And now to save face, they're still going on with the same rhetoric. You know, we're up to like 50,000 deaths of COVID-19. But we already know you could die of a car crash and they'll put it down as COVID-19. This has been stated by government officials. This isn't conspiracy theory. This is real shit. Hospitals are furloughing their employees because there's not enough people in there because you did away with the elective surgeries. You know, if you had a knee replacement, or, you know, hip problem, whatever. Oh, no, we can't do that. We got to get ready for the COVID-19 wave of people that's coming in here dying, and it didn't happen. But you still got people out there just fucking scared out of their ass that they're going to get this COVID-19 China virus and fucking die. I could get into conspiracy theories about this, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to leave it at that. I'm just asking the question, why? Why are we still shut down? I can understand that you overreacted. Why can't you admit it and say, yep, we got that one wrong, but, you know, we was worried. This is what we thought was going to happen. It didn't happen, so we're good. You know, we're good. Let's go back to work. Let's go back to, you know, eating at a fucking restaurant. Going to a bar. Go and get a hair fucking cut. absolutely no reason for us to be still shut down. None. Like I said, if you're elderly or you got underlying health problems, yeah, you should probably stay at home. But that's no different than any other year, and you getting the flu, developing into pneumonia, and it killing you. Even though they claim 50,000 people died so far of China flu. $62,000 people died last year of the flu. Just the regular fucking flu. And who were they? Elderly and people with underlying conditions, just like now. Now, does that mean somebody healthy can't get it and developing something worse? Well, of course. That's with any sickness, any illness. But we can't shut down the fucking country because less people died of this than they died of the flu last year. And the year before that, it was even fucking worse. You didn't hear a headline about it at all, just pretty much. You have to dig for that information. Anyway, time to open the country back up. Tired of this shit. I'm still working, don't get me wrong. The plant's closed. I work maintenance, so I'm there. They cut my salary. I got to take a week of furlough last month and the upcoming month. So basically, they cut my pay in half. For what? For what? Something that don't kill any more people than the regular fucking flu. Later, YouTube.